Kung doon sa isa. Kailangan doon sa isa. Doon na lang. Idali na lang ni Lolo. Ha? Anong di niya main... Ika-hearing aid lang naman. Okay. Okay, wait. Dali na lang doon sa ano. Sinong hindi niya maintindihan? Alam naman, instruction naman. Okay, let's go. Labas na kami. Kumain ka na ba? Ayan si Do, hindi pa daw kumakain. Oh yeah, you can play there. Where's my sleeper? Oh, okay. Let's go outside. Oh, is that your... Okay. Oh, wow. Is that your mouse? Okay. Hi, guys. Oh, do you wanna go your height? Okay, before we go upstairs first. Akit kaya. Oh, oh, you're 4? Yeah, you're 4. Okay. Okay. Okay, wait for me. She got more baby mouse. No, they open it. She had that for a long time. Yeah. Yeah, they're hiding at Gilana. Mother started that fire early, so that's all right. We got lots of fire. We have lots of wood. Oh, that's easy. Is that how you do now? Wow. Whoa. 2 hands. There you go. You know that already? Whoa. No touching. Oh, oh. Faster. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Let's go get your... Oh, nice. Is that a rock? Oh, that's a good idea. Oh, oh. Are you doing that? Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. Is your mouse watching? Are those your mouse? Hello, Chai. Kumusta? Bagyo? Ingat-ingat sa bagyo, guys. Yikes. Oh, are you okay? That's all. Ingat-ingat sa bagyo. Grabe ah. Ala. Oh, Gilana. You take care. Ang dami mong baon, Chai ah. Jai, ang dami mong baong angel sa sana all. There's a mouse.